Mount Agung, seen on Friday from the village of Amed, on the Indonesian island of Bali. Made NagiEur European press photo agency Hong Kong. About 145,000 people on the Indonesian island of Bali have left their homes around Mount Agung, a volcano that is showing signs it could erupt, officials said on Friday. The 9,944-foot volcano, the highest mountain on Bali, last erupted in the early 1960s, destroying villages and killing about 1,700 in mudflows and clouds of hot gases, lava fragments and ash. The authorities have warned people as far as 12 kilometers, or 7.5 miles, from the volcano to leave the area and to seek shelter elsewhere. A woman was evacuated in the Karangasem area of Bali on Wednesday. NagiEur images. Some of those who have fled in recent days are not in the evacuation zone, but they have left out of caution and uncertainty about what areas are at risk, the Indonesian National Board for Disaster Management said. Seismic monitors have recorded a sharp increase in underground activity near the volcano since mid-September, including a magnitude 4.3 earthquake on Tuesday. Satellites have also detected new steam emissions and thermal areas within the volcano's crater, and steam clouds can be seen rising above the summit, the Indonesian Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation said. Still, the center warned, the exact date and time of future eruptions cannot be predicted. The authorities have supplies for up to a month at 475 camps, Sutopo Purwonugroho, a spokesman for the National Disaster Agency, said on Twitter. A temporary evacuation center at a sports arena in Kelungkung, Bali, on Thursday. Antara photo, via Reuters. Along with people, livestock is also at risk, including at least 30,000 cattle. About 10,000 have already been moved to safety, but another 20,000 still need to be evacuated, the authorities said on Thursday. Volunteers have also entered villages to gather dogs, cats and other animals that were left behind. Bali is heavily dependent on tourism, and local officials have sought to convince people that the volcano should not pose a threat to people who stay out of the danger zone. Mount Agung is about 35 miles northeast of Kuta, in southern Bali, the main tourist area. For our brothers and sisters from abroad, of course Bali is still safe, Made Mangku Pastika, the island's governor, said on Thursday. Sheltering in tents in Kelungkung on Thursday. NagiEur images. Follow Austin Ramsey on Twitter at Austin Ramsey.